Perfect present tense. Conversation 1.
Mom, have you packed my favorite dress? I want to wear it when we visit the museum.
Yes, I have packed it along with your other clothes. Don't worry, you will look lovely in it.
I'm so excited. We have never been to Paris before. It's going to be amazing.
Dad, have you checked the tickets? We don't want to miss the flight.
Of course, I have checked them twice. They are in my backpack. We have plenty of time to get to the airport.
I have always wanted to see the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre.
Me too. And I can't wait to try some French food. I have heard they make the best cheese and pastries.
Well, you will have plenty of opportunities to taste them. We have booked a nice hotel near the Eiffel Tower. And we have planned our itinerary for each day. We have also rented a car, so we can explore the countryside and visit some castles and villages. We have also booked a guided tour for the museum. It should be very informative and interesting.
Wow, you have thought of everything, Dad. You are the best.
You're welcome, I'm glad you appreciate it. I'm sure we will have a great time. We have planned this trip for months. We deserve a break from work and school.
I agree. We have worked hard this year. We have earned this vacation. Now, let's go. We don't want to miss our flight. I have locked the door and checked the windows. We are ready to leave. Do you know we have installed a smart security system that monitors everything and alerts us if something goes wrong?
Really? That's impressive. You have done a great job. Now, let's get in the car and drive to the airport.
Perfect present tense. Conversation 2.
Hey Sam, I haven't seen you in class today. What happened?
Oh, hi, I had an appointment with the dentist. I have been having some toothache lately.
That sounds painful. Are you feeling better now?
Yeah, a bit. The dentist said I have to get a root canal next week.
Well, I hope it goes well. You know, you missed a lot of things today.
Really? Like what?
Well, for one thing, Lena has won the spelling bee contest. She has been studying so hard for it.
Wow, that's awesome. Good for her.
Yeah, she was so happy. She has received a trophy and a certificate.
That's amazing. She deserves it.
And then, Tim has got into trouble with the teacher. He has been cheating on the math test.
Oh no, that's bad. What did the teacher do?
She has given him a 0. And sent him to the principal's office.
That's harsh. He should have studied instead of cheating.
I agree. He has made a big mistake.
And what about the test? How did you do?
Think I did okay. It was not too hard. Hey, do you want to go to the park and play some tennis? It's a nice day and I have finished my homework.
Sure, why not? Let's go and have some fun.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.